I've been running experiences or workshops for a number of years, and coming out of COVID, I was really looking for a way of expanding my business, and the Kent Downs Experience programme came up just at the right time, and I've been absolutely delighted with the way it's worked.
So working on the experience bid with the Kent Downs Area of Outstanding Natural Beauty, it's been great because there's actually some funding available for equipment. I have some, but actually we're going to get lovely new binoculars which will make it easier for people to come and see the wildlife that's there, a telescope which you can get really close-up detail of it, and also the help with advertising, because I'm a ranger, I'm not an advertising expert, but with all the team at AONB helping and assisting with it, absolutely brilliant.
So it gave me the step. Working with Kent Downs gave me that opportunity. I was scared to walk away from my full-time job and do something which was bringing other people into my own business. So I'm really thankful to them for giving me the opportunity for networking, bringing me in with other businesses, giving me the confidence that I can actually bring experiences for people of Kent and further afield.
Kent Downs Area of Outstanding Natural Beauty have been a really valuable partner, really supportive. They're very pro green tourism. I think they really get it with what we're doing, and they want to support small initiatives and businesses like ours to provide something a little bit different.
I was excited to get involved with the Kent Downs Experience programme because of my passion for the area and also being able to bring more people here for the walks and for the experiences. They have been absolutely incredible in helping me through every stage of setting up my experience, mentoring me, helping with financial research. They've just been brilliant.
Setting up this business is a new thing for me, and at the same time I applied for the experience programme, and they've been absolutely amazing, giving me tips, supporting me, helping me along with the business side of things. So really helpful.
So it's really important for us to be working with Kent Downs here. They're helping us shape and design our programme, particularly for our experience days, but also helping us manage the site, and lots of information coming into us from them at TROSLEY Country Park here.
It's been fantastic working with Kent Downs. They've really helped build this experience, and it's going to be great for the people of Kent to enjoy this together with us.